All right, goodie time. Delivery. So this is the some black acrylic sheets used to remake some of the switch panels. New deck plate. Some round deck plates. Stainless steel screws. This is a bunch of switches. Single throw. Illuminated. So that'll be nice. A new fuse block. This is a relay block. See if we can. Oh, it's a pain in the ass to open. There we go. Yeah, all waterproof pieces. Put a new relay block in there. Actually, it doesn't even have one. So I will put a relay block in there. So there's that stuff. Slide this over. This should be the mount for the radar dome. Yep. That. Cool. Cute. And that's it for that box. Nope, that's not it. Got a bunch of different terminal blocks. Put that one aside. And we'll see what's in this box. So, if seal is broken, check contents. Seal's broken, you better check contents. That seal's not. It's probably the bottom. Packing foam. Stuff that says Garmin. Extra air. All right. GT56 transducer. Clear view, side view, ultra high definition. Chirp. Cute. Had one of these on the little boat and was really pleased with it. That's why I got another one. Alright. What's this? Probably something for the dome mount again. Heavy. Yep. So that goes on top of the mount. That goes on top of the mount. Dome sits there. Cool. Hardware's go there. What else we got in here? More air. So, gee, I wonder where I got this stuff from. Could it have been the GPS store? Yep. Really fast shipping and really well packed. No issues there. So this is an extension cable for the transducer, extra 10 feet just in case I need it. NEMA 2000 starter kit. Extra terminators and cables and stuff for the project. I'm sure this is not going to have everything I need, but as it says, it's a starter kit. Gotta start somewhere. Flashlight, I guess freebie. That's cool. Thank you, GPS store. I didn't order that. I'll take it. For the radar, so the factory ends I'm going to clip off and fish the wire through the tower tubes and put new ends on. Woohoo! Another freebie. GPS store, survivor tool, dry storage, and a compass. Whistle works. What's in there? Oh, duh. It's the ball for the whistle, you dork. Jeez. Obviously, I don't use whistles a lot. Empty. This is the GPS map, 1243 XSV. Had the 9-inch version of this in the old boat and liked it. And wow, this thing's nice. Let's see if I can zoom in. I'm not going to take it out of the box right now. But yeah, there it is. Cool. Cool. Just throw this on the ground. No. All right, one more box. I'm pretty sure this is said dome. Oh, zoom out, dummy. Where's the... Where? Yep, that's the dome. shiny. Alright, so we have a Garmin Phantom. Boom. I'm guessing there's some wires under there. I'm also guessing I opened this box up upside down. So I'm going to take it out. Alright, so yeah, I'm going to cut these tips off because who wants to fish that through a, what is it, a 1.5 inch inside diameter hole, if even that? It's not going to happen. So we'll cut those off and we'll put new ones on and we'll hook it up. And these are crossover cables. So you got to watch the colors on the ends. I don't know if we can see that, but we go, yeah, so white, looks like white, green, green on this one, and white, green, yellow, or sorry, orange on this one. So yeah, you gotta pay attention to that. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Manuals. And big old power cable. Alright, there we go. That's some stuff. That's my stuff. So, I've seen videos where people just take this stuff and they're able to just throw it at the boat and magically it gets installed. I'm going to try that. Nope, not really. Come on. We got transducer, different mounts, cable, book, all the goodies. All right. The toys have arrived. That's it for now.